Good morning students and welcome to your EVS class. Dear students, today I am going to teach you all lesson 20 Animal Around Us. So it is given in page number 41 of your EVS book. Page number 41 lesson 20 is Animals Around Us. Children, you might have seen different kinds of animals around yourself. There are many animals that live around us. Some are big in size and some are small in size. So, what are the animals which are big and small? Today, we will study about different kinds of animals with different size and kinds. First of all, I want to ask you all that how many kinds of animals are there? Do you know? There are, children, 3 kinds of animals. What are they? Number 1. Wild animals. Wild animals. Number 2, domestic animals. Domestic animals. And number 3, pet animals. Pet animals. So let's talk about wild animals first. Whom do we call as wild animals? Do you know, children? The animals who lives in jungle. The animals who lives in jungle or forest are called as wild animals, such as lion, tiger, giraffe, zebra, bear, monkey. All these animals are called as wild animals. Why are they called wild animals? Because they all live in jungle. We can find these animals in the jungle or in the forest. So, if someone will ask you what are wild animals, what will you say? You will say that the animals who lives in jungle are called as wild animals. And what are the examples of wild animals? Lion, tiger, chimpanzee, bear, monkey, giraffe, etc. All these animals are called as wild animals. They are very big in size. Wild animals are generally found in very big and huge size, such as elephant. Children, here in your book, you can see that there are few pictures of animals, and you have to write down B for big animals, the animals who are bigger in size, and S for small animals, the animals which you find small in size. So, let us see them. Which animal is this? Yes, it is an elephant. And what is the color of elephant? It is grey in color. Elephant is a big animal and they live in jungle. So, elephant is a wild animal. So, you will write B here in the box. Next, which animal is this? This is a rabbit. Yes, children, rabbit is a pet animal. Rabbit is a pet animal. We used to keep rabbits in our house. So, it is small in size. So, you will write S in the box. Next, deer. Deer is a wild animal because you will see deer in the forest. So you will write S here because the size of deer is not so big. It is small animal. Lion. Who is the king of jungle? Who is the king of jungle, children? Lion is called as the king of jungle, and lion is also big in size. It is a wild animal. So you will write B in the box. Next one is camel. Camel. Yes, children. Camel is big in size. Camel is big in size. So you will write B here. Next is giraffe. Where do you find giraffe? In the forest or in the jungle. Giraffe is the tallest animal. It is very big in size. The neck of giraffe is very long. So you will write B here in this box. Yes, children. Just now we have discussed about wild animals. Now turn to page number 42. When you will come to page number 42, you will find there that about domestic animals. Whom do we call as domestic animal? The animals that are kept in farm are called as domestic animal. The animals that are kept in farm are called as domestic animals. So children, here you can see that what are the animals to whom we call as domestic animals. Look at this. This animal is, what is the name of this animal? This is a horse. Yes, children. Horse is a domestic animal. You will not find horse in the jungle or in the forest, or we don't keep horse inside our house. So, horse is a domestic animal. Horse lives in farm. We use horse for commercial purpose. So, horse is a domestic animal. Next is cow. Cow, yes children. Cow is also a domestic animal. You can find cow in the farm or in sheds. So, cow is a domestic animal. We get milk from cow. So, cow is a domestic animal. Buffalo. Buffalo is also a domestic animal. Next is goat. Hen. Yes, children. We get milk from cow, buffalo and goat. All these animals are kept in farm. So, these are called as domestic animal. Now, what is this? Which animal is this? Hen. Yes. Hen lays egg and we get eggs from hen. Hen is a domestic animal. We keep hen in the farm. So, hen is a domestic animal. Next is pet animal. Whom do we call as pet animal? Children, you can see there are pictures of some animals. I think that you all are known from all these animals. Who are pet animals? Whom do we call as pet animals? The animals to whom we keep in our home with ourselves are called as pet animal. The animals who live with us in our house are called as pet animals, such as parrot, rabbit, cat, dog. All these animals are called as pet animals. The animals who live with us in our house are called as pet animals. Let us write down the name of few animals. Wild animals. Wild animals are those animals who live in jungle, such as lion, tiger, zebra, and so on. Whom do we call as domestic animal, children? Domestic animal are such animal who lives in farm. We keep domestic animal in farm. So, the example of domestic animal is cow, horse, goat, etc. And the third one, pet animal. Pet animals are those animals who live with us inside our house. What are the example of pet animals? Cat, dog, parrot, etc. So these are called as pet animals. Wild animals, lion, tiger, zebra. Those animals who live in forest. Domestic animals, the animals to whom we keep in farm. Cow, horse, goat. Next is pet animal. Pet animals are the animals that live with us in our house. Cat, dog, parrot, rabbit, etc. Now, children, see page number 43. In page number 43, you can see here, I am going to read this line for you. We get many things from animals, like cow gives us milk, silkworm gives us silk, sheep gives us wool. In winters you stay warm, not cool. Goat, cow, buffalo gives us milk. Goat and hen give meat. Children, here you can see in page number 43, you have to match the animals to the things it gives us. There are many animals who help us in many ways. We get different types of things from different animals, such as we get milk from cow, buffalo, goat, etc. We get meat. We get meat from goat and hen. We get egg from hen. We get wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep, and we get silk from silkworm. Children, you have to match the following. Yes, here is the picture of cow, hen, goat, sheep, silkworm. And here are the list of things: meat, silk, milk, egg, wool. Children, I would like to show you something. This is my handkerchief. What is this? This is my handkerchief. It is made up of silk. It is made up of silk. So the fabric is silk. So who gives us silk? Silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Next is wool. This is my woolen socks. You can see that I have a pair of socks in my hand. these are my woolen socks. And who gives us wool? We get wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep. So children, you have to match the following here in your book with numbers. Cow. What does the cow gives us? Cow gives us milk. Hen. We get eggs from hen. Goat. Goat gives us meat. Sheep. We get wool from sheep. And silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. So children, in this way you will match in your book. So what we have learned children today? In today's class, in this lesson 20, we read about different kinds of animals. There are how many types of animals? 3 types of animals. Wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals. Wild animals are the animals who lives in jungle, such as lion, tiger, zebra. Domestic animals are the animals who lives in farm, such as cow, goat, horse, buffalo, hen, etc. And the third one is pet animal. Pet animals are the animals who lives with us in our house, such as dog, cat, rabbit and parrot. And we get many things from animal, such as we get milk from cow, buffalo and goat. We get egg from hen. We get meat from goat and hen. We get silk from silkworm. And we get wool from sheep. Children, I hope that this entire lesson is now you have understood this entire lesson. So you will watch this video at your home and you will do the matching in your book. So keep learning and we will meet soon in our next video. Thank you children.